welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we're going to be looking on how we can validate our web page. Looking at the code here right now, it's more like the web page, it's all right, it's okay, perfectly done, because you can't see any sign of an error. But sometimes we might have some syntax error in our page, or let's say in our file, and this might have a damage for the search engine optimization, whereby we don't know about it. It doesn't come out to us on the page that we are right now, no error in our file. So how do we verify that? How do we validate the page? So to validate our HTML, you can easily go to Google and google.com. Let's search for HTML validator here. Okay, here we click on this. Yeah, so here is the link for HTML validator. You can see it's here, validator.w3.org. Now there's three ways for us to validate here. You can validate by URL. But right now we don't have our web page live, so we don't have a URL, live URL. So this is not an option for us. Here we can validate by uploading the file, and here we can validate by putting the code here directly. So since we can upload our file, let's just upload. Choose the file. So here I have it, and open. So let's check it out. Yeah, so here we have just two warning, one warning and one error. Yeah, this warning considering adding a lang attribute to the HTML start tag. Yeah, what this one is talking about is for us to add a language. This is to tell the search engine optimization the language we have on the page. Yeah, so let's quickly adjust that. Here we just come to our HTML here, and we have our lang. This lang is a short form of language. So language, and we have it as here is English. So the other one here, the character encoding was not declared. This one, it's about the windows, which we are going to discuss in details later on. And let's upload this again. So the warning is gone. This error, we're going to discuss about it later on our next video. So now that's about HTML. Our HTML is good for now, a little bit good. Yeah, except this error. Now also for us to check our CSS, let's do the same thing. Let's check google.com. Let's check for CSS validator. So here we have it. Yeah, same thing applies. URL, we don't have URL. We don't have it in file because here we have both CSS and HTML together, and this file is an HTML file, it's not a CSS file. So if you upload it there, it won't give us what we want, because it's expecting a CSS file. And as time goes on, we're going to apply the second method that I discussed about. I told you that we have three methods. This is the first method of rendering styles into our HTML. So the moment we have a large project, we might decide to have our CSS inside a different file, which we're going to render it here and make it work together. As time goes on, we get there. So right now, what we can do is to copy this CSS area alone, and we're going to have it here. I'm going to write the code down here. So let's check for it. Okay, this tells us congratulations, no error found. That means we are good here. Very, very good. Our CSS is perfect. So that's how we validate our web pages. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button, drop your comment like I always say, And don't forget to subscribe if you subscribe.